Ready to upgrade your system's performance? The Wolfspeed SpeedVal Kit Modular Silicon Carbide Evaluation Platform, available from Richardson RFPD, is a revolutionary product designed to help you speed up the transition from silicon to silicon carbide. With the SpeedVal Kit, you can perform comprehensive evaluations of various system configurations and component combinations, ensuring confidence in the transition to your design. The kit offers versatile building blocks and enables swift device changes with a card edge connection, reducing test times from weeks of design to minutes of reconfiguration. The SpeedVal consists of a half-bridge motherboard, power daughter card, gate driver cards, as well as optional control cards and accessories. The kit supports diverse voltages, making it well-suited for applications ranging from power server supplies and motor and motion control to solar power and energy storage. Transition from silicon to silicon carbide with ease using the Wolfspeed SpeedVal Kit Modular Silicon Carbide Evaluation Platform from Richardson RFPD. Available from www.richardsonrfpd.com/WolfspeedSpeedVal.